Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. We're here once again to check out the latest progress at the Spotify Camp Nou. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of our daily construction updates. It really helps with visibility. Now let's get started. We begin today's tour in one of the most active areas of the entire stadium, the new parking ramp zone. Over recent weeks, this ramp has developed quickly, and now its shape is fully defined and entering the final preparation stage. But the biggest highlight around the stadium right now is the installation of the ceramic Lamas, the ceramic louvers that will form the new exterior skin of the Camp Nou. Large sections of the facade are already covered, and from every angle you can see how these pieces catch and reflect natural light, giving the stadium its future dynamic look. Looking across the entire lateral sector, the transformation is clear. The parking ramp sits perfectly aligned, and workers continue leveling the whole surface layer by layer. The ceramic Lamas dominate this view, supported by newly installed structural frames that now extend across multiple levels. Soon, interior footage will reveal how these louvers are anchored from below. In the central part of the lateral side, the progress remains steady and well organized. The ground is almost fully leveled, with only the final paving left, a stage planned for later in the project. Even without those final finishes, the new outer profile of the stadium is becoming easier to imagine. Before we continue deeper into the north goal sector, don't forget to tap the like button. It helps push the video to more Barca fans. And make sure you're subscribed for daily Camp Nou updates. Now we move to the north goal corner. The usual sequence of work continues: waterproofing, primer layers, gravel foundation, and compaction. With each step, every section steadily reaches its intended height. Nearby, the second parking ramp is fully shaped and entering the concrete phase, meaning both ramps in this area are essentially complete. The third phase of the parking development shows little movement this week. From here, we take a wide view of the north goal lateral corner before heading inside the north goal itself. Inside the north goal, interior construction keeps advancing. The first VIP ring is closing up with new rooms and corridors, while the second VIP ring rises at a similar pace. The diamond-shaped structure here is also evolving quickly and moving closer to its final form. One of the most striking updates is the rising frame designed to support the curved ceramic Lamas that will form the stadium's wave-like facade. This element will give the north goal its own iconic identity. Beside it, another access ramp continues developing, expanding the future circulation network for fans. From here, we go to the future cafeteria area inside the diamond structure. Steel rebar rises as new pillars take form, and the aluminum framework for the glass facade is already installed. Once the glass panels arrive, this area will begin looking nearly complete from the outside. Next, we move toward the Tribune, where a major milestone has arrived. The second section of the escalator connecting the atrium to the museum level has been installed. With this, one full escalator line is almost finished, and the second line will follow soon. Structural work continues across the Tribune, as crews reinforce platforms, corridors, and internal connections. We end with a sweeping view of the south goal corner, connected to the Tribune. Here, the substructure for the ceramic Lamas is expanding rapidly. Large mounting frames now stretch across this facade, preparing the entire south goal for its upcoming installation of ceramic louvers. And that wraps up today's update from the Spotify Camp Nou. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Megaverse Builds. Thanks for watching.